What's up, America? Navarro here. Just on my way to Beijing. We're on the train. It's nighttime. Just met some new friends of mine. I want to introduce you to you guys. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Jackie.
Jackie.
We are from Beijing. We are university students from Beijing.
Nice one. So we're on our way to Beijing. I'm gonna go see the Forbidden City and the Great Wall. You know how I do it in Nav City. It's rough out here, but we're doing it. So keep your eyes open, and we're gonna keep it rocking. Give you guys a little sneak peek on what it looks like in our living quarters here. Again, I'm with my friends from China, from Beijing. And let's just have a sneak peek into their room, shall we? This is what the typical train room looks like. It's a 6-bunk situation, so check it out. We got 2 on top, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. What's up, guys? Yeah. So, you know, they're into the hip-hop thing. I just gave them a CD. We're going to see what they think about it. So I got their email addresses, so let's just keep it rocking. Again, Nav City, baby. This is how we do it in China. Yeah, baby.
Hi, American friends.
What's up, America? Navarro here. I just wanted to share with you guys my Chinese name, which is
Zhao Hengming.
Zhao Hengming.
Yeah.
Zhao Hengming.
Good pronunciation.
Zhao Hengming is my Chinese name.
We can call you Ming for short.
Ming, so they're gonna call me Ming for short. That's hot. If that's not hot, I don't know what is.
Great.
Nav City, baby.
Top side. It looks like noodles, but it is made of rice, not the wheat.
Oh, yeah.
过条米线，不吃吧？
Crossbreed sodium.
我在火车上什么意思？就喝水。
What do you eat at noon?
What did I eat today?
Yes.
I ate some noodles as well. I ate one of these.
This?
Yeah.
Same to me.
I had one of those. Good stuff. It's hard for me to live on just rice and noodles and fish and seafood. Because in America we have everything. We have African food, Chinese food, Thai food, Korean food,
All the world.
Mexican food, American food, Italian food.
American food is, I think American food, the most typical American food is fast food.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's why America's fat. That's why America's
the hamburger and the chips.
That's why America's fat.
Yes.
That's why I put on little pounds too.
But you are thin.
No, I'm not
You're
thin.
slim.
No, not really. I definitely wouldn't call myself slim or thin. That's for sure. I think it's the clothes I'm wearing.
It's enough. You look, your body shape looks like most normal Chinese.
Oh, really? Well, good. At least I'm average in America or in China. How about that? That's good. I can deal with that.